NAIJA as a whole, na country wey be say we get so many riverine areas. These na areas wey be say they get water, they live on top water, and their life and everything they do na for on top water. For today's episode of NAIJA Life, I say make I enter into the different riverine communities them wey say they dey into fishing. Unto say today's episode na all about fishing production and the fishing level wey this dey carry out for inside these different communities them. My name na Kabuchi, and this na NAIJA Life. Now for this episode today, I will show you the different stages wey they take dey catch fish, they take dey process fish, they take dey dry fish, they take dey smoke fish, they take dey salt fish. Everything we have to do with fishing na I dey talk about for on top this episode. Make you know share your channel, because now for here I will bring you all the level they happen. As you see me so, I dey from top canoe, I dey from top water, and I here I dey go so make I go catch fish this early momo for inside this community where I dey so today. Una welcome. The almighty God there wey create this earth where we dey so put so many things inside wey man pikin go take dey gbadun him life. The fish for inside water na one of the many things wey Ledumare wey be Baba God there take bless us all. Sake of say na food e be to all of us, and no be just that one alone o, na also business opportunity for countryman and woman dem. On top your Segemenge TV documentary series NAIJA Life, I and my team will sunshine you so many things where you need to know about fish and fishing for inside we country. For us to properly understand fish and fishing, whether na local fish wey we dey call fresh fish, abi na frozen fish wey we also dey call imported fish or ice fish, we go need to include the fisherman. According to research, most fishing communities dey close or dey live on top water. Makoko from inside Lagos State na one of such communities. The Bale, that is the community leader, will also be fisherman himself, yarn us more onto the fishing parole wey dey happen for inside this community.
My name na Bale Emmanuel Semede Etogo. The work wey we dey do pass na to dey catch fish. Our women dey do the roasting and men dey do catching and killing of fishes. This kind time wey we dey, obokun go plenty, and you go see the one wey we dey call atoko. You go also see epia. The atoko and epia go reduce in 2 months to come. Dem no go plenty again. You know say you get time for ocean and you get time for normal sea. The ones wey be for ocean go return, like that shower. Dem go return ocean, like crayfish now, wey people dey call a day. Dem no go plenty again in 2 months. Like now, dem go plenty. If the cold water don dey come, the day dem go run go ocean. Na talk we go talk, dem no go do anything. So if government fit give us engine, person wey go Ijede go set in net. You know say before e go return, no be small thing. So person wey go Ikorodu area pass that side sef, na go be on top sea. We know say nothing wey you fit do. If you wan go on top water, you must go with engine. You go even buy fuel sef. So make government use boat, net and engine help us. Because wahala wey we dey do inside this fishing thing for Makoko, e plenty.
To really appreciate wetin Bale yarn, I enter canoe go meet some of the fishermen dem and they tell us more about the challenges with them they face.
Na early morning we dey comot when people still dey sleep, around 3 o'clock am. Before 3:30, we go don reach on top water. We go spread our net.
As e dey hot, na so we dey talk am. As the fishermen dey come back from the hustle, na so the women dem dey wey be say they go carry the fishes dem from the fishermen dem, they go come sell am on top water. Dem dey call dis kind people fishmongers unto say na dem be the people wey dey do dis kind business on top water. But on top dis water, 40 pieces of tilapia fish fit cost about 3,200 naira.
Na 3,500 we dey sell 40 pieces. Na one we dey go sell am make e reach 40 pieces for 3,500. Na tilapia fish. We don sell like 3 baskets. Na the work wey we learn wey dey give us food. Na the one wey our hook catch. Atokun dey, obokun dey. Different types na im dey.
Na my job, na there they born me put. If I don't reach to 5, I go wake back for my pikin. I go brush their teeth. If I don't brush their teeth finish, I go prepare them for school. If they don't come out, I go carry my canoe come riverside. Fishermen, they don't come out from river. We go wait for them. They go sell for their wife. They bring her for us. We dey buy am for their hand.
We need to also know say for inside sea, na so many kind of seafoods na dem dey aside fish. We get lobsters, we get crab, we get prawns, we get crayfish, we get octopus. We get so many orishi things wey be say Eledumare don take bless with water. Na all this one na dem dey for inside the different sea wey dey for Naija. Aishat wey dey sell this kind of seafood yarn us the health benefit of crab.
This one na crab. Yes, na inside water e dey. Na inside water dey carry am. E get work wey dey do for body. Like person wey im bone don break before or wey don get accident. If they dey chop crab, e get work wey dey do for their body. Crab and crayfish na the same work they do for body. Person wey im body no strong, if they chop crab, im body go dey strong well well.
The selling of fish and seafood na very big business wey be say many people dey take dey feed their family. Ashajere Fish Market na one of the single biggest fresh fish market and seafood market wey dey for inside we country. Na where so many fishmongers dem dey come hustle every single day and night. Some of the fishmongers dem, especially women, yarn me more about the different kind of seafood wey dey for inside this market and the different prices dem.
This one na kuta, but na fresh fish. Na osa fish, osa na water gongo. Our water, osa dey here. All these fish na fresh fish. This one na kuta. This one na croaker. This one na rice sniper. Yes. 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 This one na rice sniper. Yes. If you come and market for Makoko, na fresh fish we dey sell. Every fish na fresh fish. Na him, na white dey there. Yes. 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 That one na black. That one wey dey there na soul fish. Soul fish. Everything are the same thing. It depends on the buyer's choice. but this one na fresh fish. You know say fresh fish get vitamin for body pass frozen fish. All this one na fresh fish. And when you come to Makoko market, na fresh fish we dey sell. We dey sell crab, crayfish. We no sabi where dem dey get the ice fish from, but for us wey dey here, we dey always buy ice block wey dey take ice the fish so that e no go spoil. By the time wey dey comot the fish from inside water, we go ice am make e no go spoil.
Na plenty of them dey come here. This fish wey dey our phone firstly na red snapper. This one na owere fish. E dey sweet. Na him caterer dem dey use. Na correct fish. E dey okay. This one na black sniper. This one na red white sniper. This one wey you dey look na Chinese. The one wey dem oyibo dey enjoy. Chinese na correct fish. Yes, e dey okay, na correct fish. Na fresh wey we dey sell. Na osa fish, the one wey dey just bring out from water. Yes, red sniper na him be this one. This one wey you dey look here na barakuta. Na barakuta be this one. This one no be shark oh. Na barakuta be this oh. No be him. This one na barakuta. E different from shark oh. This one na barakuta fish, no be shark. Shark dey, but na the one wey oyibo dey call red. Yes. Yes, na barakuta, na kuta be this one.
Ẹja ọ̀sán. NAIJA ọ̀sán. NAIJA ọ̀sán dem dey call this one. Na for inside swampy area dem dey catch am pass. E no dey too dey inside big water like that. Most times, na when people wan do occasions like wedding, na im dem dey demand for am. Na very expensive fish o, and the killing dey very very stressful.
Or inside this Ashejere market so, a different kind of work dey. If you no be fishmonger, that is, if e be say you no dey sell fish, then you fit be the person wey be say go dey package the fish. This na when the customer don buy am, then they go carry am come give you. Then na you go come comot the scales for the body of the fish. Then you come begin either to dey smoke am or to dey dry am.
Yes ma. Bí mo ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, a fẹ́ mọ̀ pé bíbá tẹ̀ ń rán bó ṣe jẹ́ báwọn ní business ṣe rí ní bíbá. Ẹ lè sọ èdè yín, kò sí problem. Àfikẹ́ lè sọ Yorùbá, kò sí problem. Àfikẹ́ lè sọ Ìgbò, eléyìí tó bá ti wọ́n bí pẹ̀lú mi, àfikẹ́ bá mi sọ.
Una welcome, thank you. For this Ashejere market, dem dey call we egun wey sabi smoke fish. We dey help dem do am. People wey dey go obodo oyinbo, we dey do am for dem. E go dry, dem go carry am travel. People wey wan chop am for house, we dey help dem do am. We dey range am with pepper, maggi and salt.
Àti maggi, àti iyọ̀. Ẹni tó bẹ ginger.
Ata,
Maggi,
àti iyọ̀. That's seasoning.
àti seasoning. Ẹni tó bẹ tún jẹ garlic, àbí ginger. Ẹni tó bẹ jẹ garlic àbí ginger. Àbí ginger.
We dey put am. No be everybody like am. Person wey like am, we go put am make e good.
wọ́n máa fi ń travel lọ.
Na the work wey we dey do be that.
so bọ̀dẹ̀ mi ni pé iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tí yín jẹ́ pé tí èèyàn bá ti rà níta tán ó máa gbé wá fún yín ẹ máa bá ènìyàn roast ẹ̀ ní ìrà ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ kí n ta fresh eléyìí lè máa wà pẹ̀lú àbí.
This na my work. Na small fish we dey do. Person wey dey sell am different, person wey dey buy am different. This one na my job with my pikin. Yes.
E no go make brain make I come this kind place and make I no come follow the leader of the market relate. So therefore, I waka jam the Yaloja of Ashejere market, that is, the market leader of this very fish market. She clear me so many things unto how she dey take dey run the affairs of the market and even their challenges and wetin she go like make government do for them.
My name na Alaja Modupe Kausara Adebayo, the Yaloja of Ashejere market for Makoko, under the umbrella of Yaloja General of Nigeria. Chief Mrs. Folashade Mujidat Tinubu Ojo. Na from small I don dey inside this market and I see people wey dey do am, wey dey like our leader. I see as they dey take do am. When e come reach my turn, me sef I move forward. You know say this our market, if una enter am, wetin we dey sell na fish, crayfish, crab, and na work wey person need to dey take care of. Because na wetin we dey chop and na wetin dey smell. So we sef dey try our best on top cleanliness. We no dey want make our customer dey complain. And our mama sef dey shout am for us, say place wey clean no dey catch disease. So every Tuesday, we dey go for meeting and lecture for Alausa Secretariat from our mama, Chief Mrs. Folashade Mujidat Tinubu Ojo. Na all those skin lectures our mama dey give us. The lecture wey we receive from her, we sef if we don reach here, we dey tell our people for the market, say na like this make una do, na like this make una no do. And we thank God say as we dey do am, God dey support us and He dey put us through. We thank the government for their best. Lagos no go spoil. Na the way forward of Lagos na im be the main koko for us. We thank God because na our government build our market and na every time dem dey support us. We sef dey support dem. Na when we reach the time for election, we dey try our best for this Ashejere market wey dey build for us, especially for Makoko. If dem talk say na market be my priority, say I no want the way forward for our country, na lie I dey lie. We thank the government. Something dey wey we dey lack for Makoko because na Makoko this market dey. Something like secondary school we no get. We no get government hospital. If our pikin don finish primary school, dem dey go outside for secondary school. Now we dey talk say make dem no cross road. Dis pikin dem no dey hear word. If we tell dem say make dem no cross, our eyes no reach dem. Some pikin go cross wey dem no go follow overhead bridge wey government do for us. I dey use dis medium to take beg government make dem build secondary school and government hospital for us. For Ashejere market, you go see say if you reach the place where they sell fish, that place dey open, e no get cover. If rain fall, na on top our head. If sun shine, na on top our head. Yes, if they fit help us make roof dey on top am, as e take dey open, we no talk say make dem build am o. No place where they go put basket. All those people wey put counter down, space no go contain them. as e dey so we dey satisfied but make dem help us make roof dey on top am. Yes, we dey beg government.
No doubt say dis market na complete seafood market, cause for here you no only fit buy fresh fish or other things but also you fit process dis things wey you don buy from inside dis market. E no get wetin dey dis life wey easy. Dis is because me myself and I feel the pain for my eye and for body when dis madam yarn me wetin she dey go through to make sure say she smoke all the fish. And so therefore I come ask her say wetin she go feel make the government take do take help dem wey be say na smoking of fish na im be their work.
They tell us, they say make we learn electricity own. I no fit learn that one. My son Imole don go Alausa go learn that electricity own. They don come pick am since 3 days ago. E dey learn electricity own, e dey try am there. Anyone wey work, we go try use am. But the charcoal we no master am, na the firewood dey use teach me. Na him I sabi since the time of our mama. E don master house. You see say e dey do small small, but if na charcoal, na so noise. If we wan turn am, we go do am like this. We go do am like this. We go do am like this. I don put am, I don do everything. Yes, e dey done. You see am? E dey see am small small till e go dry. Till the water go dry. E no go burn. E go dry.
Now for here I go say make I draw the curtain onto today's episode of your NAIJA TV show NAIJA Live. However, the tori for on top fish and fishing matter never finish o, as next week we go continue it onto the level. We go chook eye for inside ice fish market, that is the imported fish matter, consumers and also the fish farming parole. Una do.